Okay, well, if this is your y, then it's very clear that yp prime, by the product rule, is going to be u1 prime y1 plus u1 y1 prime plus u2 prime y2 plus u2 y2 prime.
That's what I got.
Okay? Now, if we make this assumption, simplifies life quite a bit.
Right.
And it's really necessary to make this assumption to get this thing to work out. Okay? So, y1 u1 prime plus y2 u2 prime u2 prime equals 0. So now yp prime equals what? Well, we got the y1 prime u1 prime, that's this one,
Right.
and the y2, not y2, u2 prime, not y2 prime, u2 prime equals 0. So that just leaves you u1 y1 prime plus u2 y2 prime.
Right. Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So that when you do yp double prime, you don't have to worry about the derivatives of these things.
Right.
Okay?
Okay. Yep.
Now your yp double prime is u1 prime y1 prime plus, do it this way, u2 prime y2 prime plus u1 y1 double prime plus u2 y2 double prime. Doesn't have to be written in this order, but while I was taking derivatives of the u's, I just decided to do that.
Right.
And actually, that's going to work out a little better, okay? But it wasn't necessary to do it, okay?
Right.
Now, okay, well, now, we rewrite the equation, right?
Right.
Have you gotten there yet?
Yes.
Okay, so, your equation is then going to be, well, u1 prime, y1 prime plus u2 prime, y2 prime, plus u1, y1 double prime plus u2, y2 double prime, plus p of t, y prime, right?
Right. Which
Now
you
write
go
out
back
all the terms, because there are only two of them, right?
to- Right. Yeah.
u1 y1 prime plus p of t u2 y2 prime plus then your yp, which is u1 y1 plus u2 y2, and that should equal g of t, right?
Yes.
Anything wrong?
No. I'm
You
just,
look
I'm
dubious.
just double checking. I just want to make sure I got the same thing.
Okay.
I'm good so far.
Okay, well, did you get to the next
Wait,
step?
the only thing I'm missing is where's the Q of T at?
And it should be g of t. Q of t.
Oh, okay.
So I'm just going to sneak the q in there,
Okay, no, that's okay, yeah. I just want to
So
make sure
there's a
it's supposed to
Q.
go in there.
and a q. And I wrote it down carelessly again. Okay,
That's, yeah, I just want
That's
to
a
make sure it's
Q of
supposed
T.
to go in there, yeah.
right?
Right.
Okay. Okay, well, see if you can get the next step.
Okay, I was going to say, this is where I got to when you walked